Welcome. My name is Giovanni Diodati. I am a conservation architect and director at Evoke Architecture. I lead a team of specialized architects that work in heritage conservation and rehabilitation of existing buildings. We had the privilege of working on Christ Church Cathedral in Montreal, which is a cathedral that was completed in 1859 with a stone spire. And the stone spire was too heavy for the quality of soil which supported it. And so in 1927, because of massive deformation and fear of collapse, the spire was dismantled and remained that way for several years, until a donor came forward and came up with the idea of putting a light frame structure, which would consist of a steel structural skeleton built by the famous Dominion Bridge Company in Montreal, and to clad it with cast aluminum panels. So this would allow to recreate the spire, but in a very lightweight and durable material. In our practice, we discovered that aluminum is historically a sustainable material. And of course, in new construction, we use it quite often in fenestration and so on. But what the main characteristics are, it's a lightweight material, relatively easy to place and install, and also, given the projects we've worked on, is a material which is long-lasting and then can be renewed in order to ensure an even longer life cycle. And that's the basis of sustainability. Sustainability is extremely important in architecture, and especially so in heritage conservation, where you're dealing with existing buildings. And so the idea is to really understand the quality of the materials, the value that's there inherently, both as embodied energy and how this can be reused, repurposed, conserved in order to give new life to the buildings that we work on.